Ooh. Oh, shit. Now,
Houston, we have a problem.
You know how when the spaceship is trying to line up for the space station and just locating the bolts. Well, hello everyone. Right now it's day 4 in my R2 rebuild, and basically what I'm doing today is I'm working on the propulsion part of R2D2, which is the legs and motor drive. On maintenance of these this R2D2, this is the second most important part to repair on R2D2 because of the weight of R2D2. He's about 110 kilo, which is about 235 pounds maybe, give or take a little. So with all that weight and the distance that he travels, it's very, very important that I actually do maintenance on his motor drive. So what I've done now is I removed the wheel and the roller out of his foot drive, and I'm going to right now clean this up and put this back in there. So that's usually I'll just spray in here and just move all the debris, but it's good just to take it all apart and make sure everything is tightened up and functioning correctly with my R2D2, because this R2D2 it's completely mobile, meaning that my R2D2 travels about 2 kilometers per day, and I travel an estimate of an average of 2 days a week, and I've been doing that for about 6 years. So if you calculate the distance, I would say that my R2D2, out of all the R2D2s in the world, has covered a lot of distance. If anyone wants to challenge me on that and thinks that their R2D2 has gone outside and further than mine, let me know. If you want to check if you want to check on that, you can always Google R2D2 Japan, or even Twitter R2D2 Japan, and you'll see a lot. There's a lot of coverage of places that I've gone to, places that I go. I go to shopping centers, shopping malls, cafes, parks, and all by foot. I take this on the train with me. I brought it on the train with me and traveled across town. So yeah, it does an average of 2 kilometers. I can go more than 2 kilometers, but I'm just saying average. So I'm just trying to calculate that in a more, just a basic way. So yeah. Yeah, I gotta get all this stuff out of here. All this hair. Then I'm gonna spray it. Some silicone spray after I clean it out. I'm putting some of this silicone spray inside here. See? And still a lot of hair is still up and wedged up inside here that I'm trying to get out. How this works is that R2D2 mainly rolls in this. But once after, like soon as he pulls forward, that torque back, this just touches the ground just a little bit, and then it'll raise back up, and then this wheel will start turning. So this is the counterbalance. So anytime that he has to turn, It's usually on this wheel if he's moving, but this is like it pulls back because of the weight, and he's bottom heavy. So that's why these rollers, they're not designed for just constant rolling. It's just in case he goes like this when you're moving forward. There's triple force to that. Take a look at all this debris, all this hair, leaves, and everything that was stuck in one wheel. Okay? I got you. See? That's what science is about, you guys.
Please hit the like and subscribe if you want to see more content like this.